I promised I would talk about this, applying data science paradigms to engineering. And this is also not something new, but sometimes I just have the feeling that engineers, they get kind of afraid of some phrases which are common in data science. So when I say to someone, yeah, okay, so you should put your data into a database, then it's sometimes like, okay. I don't know, and maybe I don't want to know what a database is. So here I also just want to encourage engineers in general, don't be afraid. And also, you cannot break anything. Just try. And that the same with the databases and with the machine learning and data science in general. So I believe most of the stuff engineers are doing all the time. So of course they do some curve fitting all the time. So it's just different names. And just applying or taking some of these data science paradigms and applying these to engineering, this allows for some, I like to call it cherry picking. So why not use the best tools, and which are the easiest for me to apply from engineering for doing my simulations. But then if I want to analyze the data, then of course I take some open source Python packages because they are so easy and the community is so big. So I can basically just Google the sentence or the questions, what I had in my mind, and I can just Google it and I will find lots of answers. So this is enabling me to do a lot more.